In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore WhatsApp chats. Keeping a safe copy of your conversations is essential, especially if you're switching phones or reinstalling the app. We'll walk through creating a manual backup and turning on automatic backups, and I'll share a few tips so your restore goes smoothly when you need it. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open more options. On iPhone, tap Settings in the bottom right corner. From there, go to Chats, then Chat Backup. This is the control center for saving your messages and media. Before you back up, make sure you're connected to reliable Wi Fi and that your cloud account has enough space. On Android, WhatsApp backs up to Google Drive, so confirm you're signed into the correct Google account in WhatsApp's backup screen. On iPhone, it uses iCloud, so ensure iCloud Drive is enabled and you're signed in with the right Apple ID. If you have lots of photos and videos, the first backup can take a while, so keeping your phone plugged in is a good idea. To create a copy immediately, tap Backup. You'll see progress as WhatsApp prepares and uploads your data. If you're short on time or data, consider excluding large videos from the backup. This keeps backups quicker and smaller while still preserving your messages and photos. Also, be mindful of mobile data. Backups can be large, so Wi Fi is best. Next, turn on automatic backups so you never have to remember to do this again. In the same chat backup screen, choose a schedule that fits your usage: daily if you chat constantly, weekly for most people, or monthly if you rarely use the app. Automatic backups run in the background and protect you from unexpected phone issues. A quick note on security: WhatsApp offers end to end encrypted backups. If you enable this, your backup is protected with a password or key that only you control. Keep it safe. Without it, you won't be able to restore your chats. When it's time to restore, the process is straightforward. After you install WhatsApp and verify your phone number on a new or reset device, WhatsApp will detect your cloud backup and prompt you to restore it. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account on Android or the same Apple ID on iPhone, and use the same phone number the backup was created with. Then follow the on screen prompts to bring your messages back. That's it. Open WhatsApp, head to chats, tap chat backup, run a manual backup, and set an automatic schedule. With these steps, your conversations stay safe and easy to restore whenever you need them.